Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin with the essentials. Verify your host has CPU virtualization enabled and at least 8 GB RAM plus 50 GB free disk so the guest performs well. Once done, open VMware Workstation or Fusion and choose File New Virtual Machine. Select Typical to let VMware set sensible defaults, then point to an ISO or installer media. This step kicks off the VM. You're choosing the hardware profile and boot source, so the operating system can be installed cleanly. Now configure the VM hardware. Assign CPU cores and RAM based on the guest workload, and set virtual disk size. Expandable disks save host space. Make sure to pick a network mode that matches your needs. NAT for easy internet, bridge to appear on the LAN, or host only for testing. Attach the OS ISO to the virtual CD drive and confirm boot order prioritizes the installer. Start the VM and follow the OS installer prompts. This is where the guest file system and accounts are created. Finish by installing VMware tools inside the guest to enable drivers, clipboard sharing, and dynamic display resizing. This improves performance and usability. Once the OS is configured, take a snapshot of the clean state and set up shared folders or USB pass-through if you need resource exchange. If something goes wrong, first verify the ISO checksum and ensure CPU virtualization is enabled in BIOS or UEFI. Many boot or performance issues trace back to corrupted media.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.